everyone and welcome back to my channel. So hope you're all doing well and really keeping safe. Even I'm doing good. So if you're seeing me for the first time, I am Anjali and you're watching Ashley's Heaven. So today's video is all about my June favorites. So today I'm going to share the most frequently used products in the month of June, and at the same time the favorite products which I used mostly in the month of June. So here are few of the products with me. So I'll just quickly share you my review on these particular products, and at the same time these are my favorites. So let's get started. See, I have multiple products covering mostly all of the categories like skincare and makeup. I don't think I have something from hair care. No, I have nothing from hair care. So mostly I have from skincare and makeup. So let's see one by one, randomly, no particular order. Let's see what my favorite products, what were my favorite products in the month of June, which I really liked. So first thing that I found in my basket was this Lakme rose powder. I have talked so much about this in I think 2 of my videos. So if you have not watched it, I'll just link it up here. In that I have completely reviewed this particular product. I should say this is a must go for everyone. So this can be used as a compact powder as well. So in that way I really liked it. It sets your makeup so much flawlessly, and I really liked the consistency of this product, and the performance was just superb. In that way I really liked it, guys. So in days whenever you're not feeling to apply compact powder, simply you can carry this, and if you just apply this sets your makeup so well, guys. So the base and the foundation will be set by this so well. So it gives a flawless finish to your face, and in that way I really liked it. So this is my first favorite product in the month of June. And not even June, even in July's favorite, I'm gonna show this. I'm pretty much sure about this because I am really liking this product, guys. It's because the consistency is so light, and it is quick absorbing, which is just amazing. So this retails for 170 rupees, but every time you will find in some offers, so you can grab this in below 150 or 100, 150, between 100 and 150 you will definitely find this in all of these sales. So do try this out if you haven't tried this yet. This is a great product and it's a great substitute for your compact. So this is my first favorite. And the next favorite product is this Good Vibes Rose Toner. So this I like using rose water so much to my skin because it gives a very refreshment to my skin, and it sets my skin so well. Before any skincare, I love applying a lot of rose water to my face. So earlier I was using that Gulabri 3-in-1. Mine is actually a pimple prone and oily type of a skin I have. So with that I don't I don't like doing a lot of experiments on my skin because it quickly gets irritated and a lot of pimple comes on my face. So I really don't want to disturb my skin at all. So in that way I pick products very carefully because it should be very friendly to my skin. Only then I can use this in a long run, because thousands of rupees on any particular product, and if my skin is not accepting that particular product, then whole of my money will be wasted and I will be completely disappointed, right? So in that way I take long time, then I take a lot of reviews, and after that if it is suiting my skin, if I have a confidence, only then I purchase the product, because I am scared towards this because of this skin sensitivity which I have. So in that way this is a very good purchase from my end. This is Good Vibes Rose Glow Toner. So this toner is really helping my skin to calm down, and this really tones my skin as rose water. This is similarly a rose water, guys. So I don't think I didn't find any much difference between a rose water and this rose glow toner, other than the name and the packaging and the brand is different. But other than that, everything is just same smell and consistency, and everything is just similar to a rose water. So I really liked it, and this is my favorite toner for the month of June. The next product that I purchased in the month of June, and which turned out to be my favorite, was this Insight Pro HD Concealer. So this was my first ever purchase, as I have mentioned in my videos. So this was my first purchase, and I really like the performance of this particular concealer from the brand Insight. So definitely I would suggest anyone who are looking for a budget friendly concealer, then you can definitely go for Insight, because you have n number of shades available in this according to your skin pigmentation and according to your skin tone. You can definitely choose a perfect concealer for your skin type, and you can just use this out, guys. So consistency wise it is just amazing, I should say. They are covering my pigmentations or dark spots or whatever is visible on my skin, so it is covering any dark spots or anything like that. In that way, I really like this particular concealer. Though the MRP of this is, I think this was retailed for 250 rupees, I guess, but in some offer I found this. So every time you will find some of the other offers in inside as well. So if you could purchase this in an offer, that would be a great deal, guys. So this is an exact copy of this LA Girl. So I have earlier mentioned in my video. So here is the video. In this video, I have completely reviewed this particular product. Please do watch this, guys. So yeah, this concealer is just superb, I should say. I'm really liking this, and yeah, this was mostly used, and I haven't used any concealers before. So as a first impression, I really like this concealer. So I would definitely suggest this concealer, guys. So this is my next favorite in the month of June. And next product I would show is this MCaffeine Naked Green Tea Detox Face Scrub. So this is my all-time favorite face scrub. So as I said earlier, I'm scared towards this acne, so I review and research a lot. After that I purchase any product because I don't want to take any risk or chances with my skin. So this is one such product that really suits my skin type, guys. So if anyone is having oily skin type, then you can definitely try out this MCaffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Face Scrub. This is really superb, guys. This has small particles in it, and it cleanses your face so well. So in that way, I'm really liking this, and this is my all-time favorite face scrub. So I never tried any face scrub, so this was my favorite face scrub, and I'm sure that I'm not gonna change in near future. I'm not going to change this because I'm really like with the MRP of this is 325 rupees, but again MCaffeine has a lot of offers going on, so you will get this below 250 rupees. You'll have to check out the offers. So this is a really great scrub, I should say. If anyone is having an oily and a pimple type skin tone, please try this out. This might work for you because this is really working on my skin, guys. So this is my next favorite. And the next product that I'm going to show is this NYB Foundation Color Concealer Corrector Stick. So this product, I don't know if I can call it as my favorite because I have been experimenting more on this product because actually I really like the consistency and the performance of this concealer stick is just really superb. I am mostly using this as a foundation stick instead of a concealer or a color, contour stick. They are claiming it to be a contour stick as well. I think because of this shade, I cannot use this as a contour, but at the same time I am liking this as a foundation, guys. So instead of foundation, I'm using this because this is really lightweight on my skin, and it is not giving a very heavy feel on my skin, and at the same time it is easy to blend as well, and it is giving a very lightweight finish and a very very subtle look to my face, and at the same time this is not patchy again. So I got this for around 150 rupees, I guess. So in 150 rupees, this foundation stick is worth, I should say, because this is just amazing. So this is not patchy, this is easily blendable, and at the same time this is so light to your skin, and it gives a very good coverage, guys. So in that way I really liked it. So nowadays, instead of this any other creams, I'm just trying out this foundation stick for any quick makeups, guys. So in that way I'm really liking this. So this is my next. And the next favorite, I should say, is this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. I think I have already shown this in my May favorites also. Yeah, but even in June I am really liking this, really literally in love with this product because the perfection this mascara is giving is just amazing, guys, because it gives a very very good look to your lashes, that it gives a very slight curl to your lashes, and at the same time very bold look it gives. It like you have applied some fake lashes. Instead of applying any fake lashes, you can get a wonderful lashes with this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. No words to talk about this particular product. So if you are a beginner and you are looking for a very good mascara, then you can definitely try out this, guys. It's just amazing. The MRP of this is, I think, it's around 300 rupees, but you will get it for 250 like that in Nykaa or in purple as well. So you have two variants, washable and one more one. So this is a washable variant, jet black, very black is the shade. So I would say definitely a big yes to this product. So if anyone is looking out to purchase a mascara, then I would really suggest this, guys. Please do try this, and this is my next favorite product. And the next product which I used mostly in the month of June is this lip balm from Wadi Herbal. So this is actually a very good lip balm. I really like the consistency wise and everything. So this is from Wadi Herbals, and this is Ultra Moisture Lock Strawberry Lip Balm. So this lip balm really has a flavor of strawberry. I mean, strong flavor of strawberry, and at the same time this is super moisturizing to your lips. I should say, lip balm I was using so much because I really like the consistency, the fragrance and everything, and the moisturization also it is providing is just super. And the MRP of this is 62 rupees. So in this price range, this is just doing a great job. So this is my favorite lip balm in the month of June. Finally, I would talk about a lip crayon. So this is Bella Vostre lip crayon. So I have no words to talk about this lip crayon, guys. Only one point I didn't like about this lip crayon is they claim it to be a matte, but this is not complete matte. This lies in between. So I have already reviewed a detailed review on this video. So here is the iCard above. Please do watch that, guys. So this is a really great lip crayon, I should say. You have n number of shades available. You can pick it out your favorite shade, and at the same time this is super soft to your lips and super creamy, and it is very highly pigmented, and you have n number of nude shades available which suits every skin type. So this is what I liked, and I am really liking this lip crayon, guys, because whenever you feel like going out, then you can simply apply this lip crayon and it looks very classy on your lips, because this has such subtle and nude shades. So you will have to pick such shades, then it looks really, it is easy going on all the days. So I really liked it, and I would definitely recommend this particular lip crayon. And the MRP of this is 135 rupees, but you will definitely get this in 100 rupees from Purple all the time. So you can just try it out, guys. This is a great lip crayon, I should say. This is my last favorite product. Okay, guys, so all these were my June month favorite products which I used mostly in the month of June, and I'm sure that I'm going to use this going forward as well, because I'm really I'm really liking these products as well. And yeah, that's all. So if you have liked any of the products from the list and it is your favorite, then please do let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe and share it with your friends and family. So yeah, that's all for today. So see you soon in another video. Till then, bye and take care.